friends, Assalamu alaikum and happy Ramadan Mubarak to everyone. May Almighty give us good health, forgive our sins and accept all our prayers. Inshallah, Ameen. Enjoy simple home decor of our house for this Ramadan, yet it is bright and beautiful. Today I will be sharing very traditional sweet treat recipe for this Ramadan Chandrat. Let's prepare zarda. For that I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice, nicely wash it and start boiling it in enough water. I have taken orange food color and green food color, you can see. Now when the rice is well done means 100% it should be cooked nice and soft. At that time I will be taking little portion of rice, that is approximately just 1 scoop. It is for green food color and orange food color, you can see. I will keep this for 10 minutes until that nice color is absorbed. In this full rice I will be mixing light yellow in color, you can see all colors are ready. Now I will be draining the rice and keep it the way I have shown you, right, on the tissue paper to dry up. Just for 10 minutes, not too long. Now our rice is ready. Let's start assembling the zarda. For that I have taken nice open pot in which I have taken enough ghee and whole spices and lot of nuts. As many nuts possible you can add in this. Along with that I am also adding these raisins. And you can also add even walnuts or even coconut, but which I didn't add over here. And now you can see I am adding 1 cup of water. For 2 cup rice I have nicely boiled and kept. I am adding 1 cup water, to that 1.5 cup of sugar. If you are a sweet lover, go for 2 cups of sugar. I have kept it mild. Nicely when the sugar dissolved, I have added cardamom and 1 teaspoon of kevda water. It's just for fragrance, very little. You can avoid kevda water if you don't like. Nicely when the water comes to boil, we will add the base color, that is yellow color, which is in large quantity, you can see. Nicely give it a good mix upside down. And after mixing it nicely only, you should layer the other 2 colors. See the way I have just flattened it up. And now I will be adding the other 2 colors this way. You can layer it up in your choice. Colors also you can choose any colors of your choice, bright or light, that is your choice. I have soaked saffron in little bit of milk, that also I will be adding. Saffron flavor is also very nice. Definitely add if you have. Forgot to layer the mawa which I have, just adding it up right away and keep it on them until the water is completely evaporated. Once you have added the sugar, the rice won't cook but it will be soft. For that reason only I added 1 cup water and kept it on medium high only, so that the water will be nicely evaporated and the rice will be soft with the sugar syrup. This way you can check from the sides. If the water is completely evaporated, you can off the flames and leave it on them for 5 minutes. That's it. Now you can see after 5 minutes to 10 minutes the rice is completely ready. Now even if you mix, the colors won't stick to each other. This way all the zarda is very much ready. In the beginning itself I took lot of nuts for garnishing. Like this I have just prepared 2 to 3 bowls. Just to our neighbors I will be sharing this sweet treat for Chandrat as Ramadan treat. Now for garnishing, on top I am adding up gulab jamun and all the dry nuts which we fried. This sweet treat is a very traditional recipe. Definitely you all must try it. Today only one recipe I am sharing here. Rest all it will be our house simple home decor for this Ramadan. It's very simple yet very bright and beautiful. Keep enjoying. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Soon I'll be posting some or the other iftar recipes or even suhoor recipes or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.